In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Meta AI chat as PDF on web. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean PDF of your Meta AI conversation that you can save, share, or archive. All you need is a web browser and access to your Meta AI chat on the web. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Meta AI, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Meta AI link that takes you to Messenger on the web. Once Messenger loads, look to the left sidebar where all your conversations are listed. Find the thread with Meta AI. If you have a long list of chats, the search box at the top of the sidebar can help you quickly locate it. Click the conversation you want to save as a PDF. Give it a moment to load. If you want more of your chat history included, scroll up to load earlier messages before moving on. Many messaging apps load older messages only as you scroll, so doing this now ensures they'll appear in the final PDF. Meta AI doesn't offer a built-in export button on the web, so the most reliable method is to use your browser's print to PDF feature. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and P. On a Mac, press Command and P. This opens the print preview window. In the print window, change the destination or printer to Save as PDF. You'll usually see this option in a drop-down menu labeled Destination, Printer, or Similar. Before saving, take a moment to check the preview. You can adjust layout between portrait and landscape, tweak margins or scale for better fit, and, if available, enable background graphics to keep the chat's visual structure intact. If the preview shows messages cut off, scroll the Conversation in the Background tab to load more, then reopen or refresh the print preview so everything you need is included. When the preview looks right, click Save. Your browser will either prompt you to choose a location and file name or save automatically to your default Downloads folder, depending on your settings. Pick a clear name, like Meta AI Chat.pdf, and confirm. That's it. The PDF of your Meta AI chat is now saved on your computer. You can open it to review the content, send it as an attachment, or store it for your records. Quick recap. Open Google, search Meta AI, go to the site to access Messenger, select your Meta AI conversation, use the Print to PDF feature, choose Save as PDF, and save. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along for more practical how-tos.